guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the Glossybox limited edition Rodial box. Now if you don't know what Glossybox is, they are a monthly beauty subscription service. They send you 5 products a month with a mix of full-size and deluxe travel size products. And then Glossybox also comes out with limited edition boxes for their subscribers. So you do have to have a subscription with Glossybox in order to purchase this box itself, but Glossybox was so sweet in including a discount code for you guys. So if you enter Kayla in all caps at checkout, you can get $5 off your first Glossybox as well as $5 off the Rodial box. Now Rodial is a UK-based luxury skincare brand. I have actually had the pleasure of trying a few of their products out a few years ago, and I absolutely loved everything that I've tried from the brand so far, so I'm excited to give some more products a go. Before we jump in, I did just want to mention really quickly that even though Glossybox was so kind in sending me this box, I am in no way getting paid for this video or with the discount code that they provided, and regardless of anything, my opinions are 100% honest as always. Now I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I did actually pop this first part open just to look at the box because I couldn't help myself. I have such a hard time getting rid of beautiful packaging like this, so let's open her up. It's so gorgeous, you guys. So it looks like there's a little pamphlet right on the top there. I'm just gonna open this bad boy up. And let's look at this really quick. So this box includes some of Rodial's best-selling products from their most popular line, which is the Dragon's Blood line, which actually says here is an anti-inflammatory soothing ingredient that comes from the sap of a tree, which is super interesting. It says it protects against external aggressions while plumping and hydrating. This range is perfect for reducing redness and anti-aging. Cool! So I have actually tried 2 out of 5 of these products, which is exciting because I already know that I'm obsessed with those 2, and I'm excited to try out some new ones as well. I can't get over this packaging. So the first thing I see here is one of the products that I have tried already. This is the Dragon's Blood Cleansing Water, and you guys, I'm obsessed. I'm so excited to have this in my hands again. It's been a long time since I've used it. So it's basically just a micellar water with hyaluronic acid and vitamin B3 to gently cleanse and soothe the skin. This is a deluxe mini size, but it actually has 3.4 fluid ounces of product, and it retails for $25, and the full size retails for $45. So I'm so excited to use this tonight. Next up, we have the Dragon's Blood Sculpting Gel, which is a revolutionary anti-aging gel that helps volumize and define facial contours by stimulating the production of collagen. I'm so excited. I have never tried this product. I can't wait. So it actually says to use this before moisturizing morning and evening. So it sounds like more of a serum product, and it's got a really cool like pump on the top. It's not actually like a tub that you have to dip into. So super stoked about that. This is also a deluxe mini size, and it retails for $26. The full size product of this costs $108. Ooh, so next up we have the Dragon's Blood Jelly Eye Patches. I have heard a lot of good things about these, but have never tried them myself. These are full-size products, and they retail for $11 each. So cool that they send 2. It says, visibly smooth, plump, and restore hydration in under-eye contours with the protective powers of Dragon's Blood in these eye patches. The new jelly texture technology will calm and depuff the under-eye area for a refreshed look. But yeah, I hear about these a lot. I think they're probably one of their most popular products, and I cannot wait to try them myself. Oh my gosh, so you actually get 2 Dragon's Blood lip masks as well. So cool. cool. It says dragon's blood extract and hyaluronic acid will restore, plump, and protect, giving you the ultimate moisture boost for smoother looking lips. Oh, cool. I had to check. The eye patches have hyaluronic acid as well. I love me some hyaluronic acid. These lip masks are full-size products as well, and they retail for $7 each. Last up, we have the Glamo Lash Mascara XXL. This is the other product that I have tried from Rodial before, and I absolutely love this mascara, you guys. I remember being so heartbroken when I had to throw out this mascara last time I used it. I'm so excited to try it out again. I can't wait. This is a deluxe mini size, obviously, and it retails for $13, and the full size retails for $29. It says it has intensified color concentration that will guarantee extreme black lashes with supercharged volume. So now I really want to add up these products and see what the retail value of this box is. Oh my gosh, it's exactly $100. So you're clearly getting your money's worth, and it's such a good way to be able to try out products, especially products like this that are luxurious, more expensive products. Literally so cool. I'm so impressed. This box launches Friday, October 23rd, and you can sign up for a wait list before that. But with it being limited edition, once it's sold out, it's gone forever. So I recommend looking as soon as possible if you are interested in this box, just because I can see it selling out really fast. This was actually honestly my first time ever getting any kind of subscription box, so this was so fun for me, you guys, and now I feel addicted. Like, I absolutely love the concept of this. Big thanks to Glossybox for sending me this box. I cannot wait to try out all of these products. And thank you guys for joining me today. I really hope you enjoyed. I hope you all have a good rest of your day, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye guys!